Blockage of arteries or large blood vessels can be caused by a blood clot or the formation of plaques from high levels of cholesterol in the blood. However, there is a natural solution that will help you combat these issues. Who can use this remedy? People who cannot afford bypass surgery to prevent recurrent heart attacks. People who have been diagnosed with heart blockage, or have heart disease. People suffering from ulcers. People who cannot defecate or have hard stools. People who want to lose weight. The following natural mixture will cleanse your large blood vessels to reduce bad cholesterol in the body, and lower high blood pressure. It contains very powerful and natural ingredients that are very beneficial for better health conditions. Please subscribe, comment, like my video to get more awesome health videos. So let's see what awaits us. Ingredients: 1 cup of ginger juice, 1 cup of garlic puree, 1 cup of lemon juice, 1 cup of apple cider vinegar, 2 cups of honey. Here are the directions for making the mixture. First, you need to extract the juice from ginger, garlic, lemon. Second, put the juice from ginger, garlic, lemon in a saucepan on medium heat or medium heat on the stove or stove. Add or pour the apple cider juice. Stir for up to 30 minutes. Third, turn off the stove or stove and remove it from the heat, then cool completely. Fourth, add 2 cups of honey and mix well. Finally, pour it into a clean bottle and store it in the refrigerator. You can store this juice for 1 to 2 months. How to drink. Drink 1 tablespoon of this tonic juice on an empty stomach every morning before breakfast. If you need to drink water, do so 1 to 5 minutes after drinking the tonic juice you made. You can also drink again 1 spoon or 1 tablespoon of juice or mixture after 2 to 3 hours after lunch and dinner if the throat or stomach is comfortable. People with high cholesterol levels are increasing day by day. However, experts believe it begins with damage or blockage of the inner layer of a large blood vessel. There are many reasons why you experience high cholesterol levels, including excessive smoking, inheriting high cholesterol from parents or ancestors, wrong diet, lack of exercise, obesity, big waist, and diabetes. Benefits of garlic. The health benefits of garlic are as follows: reduces blood pressure, it is anti-block, reduces cholesterol. Garlic has antibacterial properties, reduces sugar levels. Skin infection medicine, reduces weight, treat breathing, and much more. Benefits of ginger. Health benefits of ginger: prevention and treatment of heart disease, increased blood flow, weight loss, increased energy, good for colds and coughs, and much more. Benefits of lemon. Benefits: regulate heart rate, helps the proper functioning of the heart. Lemon reduces weight and has many other benefits. Benefits of apple cider vinegar. Removes toxins from our body. It contains good minerals, potassium, vitamins and enzymes. Health benefits of honey. It reduces cholesterol, fights bacteria, stimulates the body, keeps us away from cancer and heart disease. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe, comment, like my video to get more awesome health videos.